Hi everyone. Today complex number 6th day. Ready a problem. X minus I by whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal 4 marks important problem. Four stars means 4 marks. If x minus I by whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal a minus ib, then show that x by a plus y by b is equal 4 of a square minus b square. Solution. What is given? Is given x minus I by whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib is given. Then show that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 of a square minus b square. So here a means real part, b means imaginary part. What is given? Is given that x minus I by whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib. X minus I by is equal a minus ib whole to the power of 3 only. In LHS side 1 by 3, RHS side 3 only. Otherwise cubical both side. We get cube cancel a minus b whole cube. In LHS side 1 by 3, RHS side only 3. X minus I by is as it is. A minus b whole cube formula. What is a minus b whole cube formula? A cube minus 3a square b. A minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube plus minus plus minus. So here a minus b whole cube form. A cube means only a cube minus 3a square b, b value is ib, plus 3b square a, 3b square means ib, 3b square a minus b cube means ib whole cube. Once again I will repeat, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a, 3b square a minus b cube. Already we know a cube value is minus 1. So a cube minus I into 3a square b, I square value is minus 1. So minus 3a b square. I cube means here I cube can be written as I square into I square value is minus 1 into I minus I, minus into minus here, plus I b cube. I cube is equal to I square into I square value is minus 1, minus or minus plus. So plus I b cube. Now we are separate the real part, imaginary part. What is the real part here? Real part is a cube minus 3a b square plus I is common. Here b cube minus 3a square b. Any doubt? Real part means without items. A cube minus 3a square b. I is common. B cube minus 3a square b. This is called x minus I by. Comparing both sides, complex, comparing both sides, real and imaginary parts. Comparing both sides, real part and imaginary part. What is the real part here? X is equal to this one, minus y is equal to this one. Compare here. X is equal to a cube minus 3. So what is the real part here? Real part is x. Here real part is a cube minus 3a square b. Here imaginary part is minus y. Here imaginary part is b cube minus 3a square b. Once again I will repeat. Comparing LHS side and RHS side, real parts and imaginary parts means without items, with items. Here LHS side x is equal. Here a cube minus 3a square b. Any doubt? Now what is imaginary part here? Minus y is equal. Here minus y is equal. Yes, b cube minus 3 value. That 3a b square. I is common here. A cube minus 3ab square here. I of means 3a square b. X is equal to a cube minus 3ab square. 3ab square. Yeah. Y is equal to b cube minus 3a square b. 3a square b. Now here x is equal to a is common here. A square minus 3b square. X by a is equal to a square minus 3b square. Here multiplication means here by. Similarly, y is equal to here minus common we get 3a square b minus b cube. Y is equal to here b is common, remaining what? 3a square minus b square. Therefore, y by b is equal to 3a square minus b square. Once again here, a cube minus 3ab square. A is common value, so a is common. Remaining what? A square minus 3b square. Here minus common we get 3a square b minus b cube. First and second term common term is b. B is common. Remaining value is 3a square minus b square. Y by b. In RHS side, the multiplication, LHS side is only division. Y by b is equal to 3a square minus b square. Now what you want? You want x by a plus y by b. Now add x by a plus y by b. X by a plus y by b. What is x by a value? X by a value is a square minus 3b square plus y by b value 3a square minus b square. A square plus 3a square 4a square minus 4b square. 4 is common. A square minus b square. Our required solution is 4 of a square minus b square. Next problem, read up. Find fourth problem. Next problem. Find least positive integer of n. Find and entrance. Find 2 marks or entrance type of question. Find positive integer of n. Positive integer of n. Such that first problem here 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. Second one, Paul problem. Please solve second problem. Paul problem. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube is equal to x plus I by. Find x comma y dash. Yeah, fourth problem, two problems. First problem, second problem. What is first problem? Find the positive integer of n. What values of n? You get one answer. First of all, we take here solution is important for MSET and JEE mains and also 2 marks for IB. What is given? 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is given. It can be written as 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Already we know in a complex number, numerator by denominator is there. We have to rationalization only denominator. What is the denominator value here? 1 minus I. So rationalization here 1 plus I by 1 plus I. What to the power of n is as this. Any doubt? Now here numerator is 1 plus I into 1 plus I, 1 plus I whole square, 1 plus I whole square. Denominator value a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. A square value is 1, b square value is I square to the power of n is as is. Next A plus goes to A square. B square value is I square plus 2AB means 2I. Remaining part here 1. I square value already know minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Whole to the power of n is as it is. Remaining part here 2I by 2 whole power n. 2 get cancel. What you will get? We get I power n. But what you want? What values of n we get that is equal to 1. Suppose put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 means I power 1 is equal to I only. Not satisfied. Put n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means here what you will get? I square. I square is equal to minus 1. Why? Because I power 1 only. In place of n is equal to 1, I power 1 is equal to I only. But what you want? You want 1. So n is equal to 1 is not satisfied. N is equal to 2 is also not satisfied. Now put n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 means here I cube. I cube can be written as I square into I. I square value is minus 1. Again n is equal to 3 also is not satisfied. Next one, put n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 means I power 4. I power 4 can be written as I square whole square. Already we know. What you know? You know I square value is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 only. Therefore, n is equal 4 is least positive integer. N is equal to 4 substitute. We get I power 4 is equal to 1 only. You can solve second problem same method. This is an one problem. Just ratio here 1 plus I by 1 minus I. We get here total I. We get here total minus I. We can solve and find x comma y values. Next. Next problem. Find real value of theta. This is a 4 marks problem and also entrance problem. Find real values of theta. Find real values of theta. The first one here, problem 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. Problem is 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. First one is a purely real. Second one purely imaginary. What are you asking here question? The question is 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. What are you asking? Find the real values of theta. General solution of theta. Already we know theta solutions in trigonometric equations in first year mathematics A paper. So first of all, given problem is what is given? 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is given. It can be ratioization here. So your numerator by denominator it can be written as 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is into 1 plus 2i sin theta by 1 plus 2i sin theta. First of all, it can be changed into real part plus imaginary parts. Problem is given numerator by denominator. Just you have to change real part and imaginary part. So a ratioization 3 1 by 3 6i sin theta plus 2i sin theta plus 4i square sin square theta. I need out just only general multiplication. 3 1 by 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 into 2 4i square sin square theta. Denominator value already know a plus b into a minus b. So a square and b square. A square value 1, b square value minus 4i square into sin square theta. So it can be written as I square value is minus 1. So 3 plus 8i sin theta. Why? Because 6i plus 2i 8i sin theta minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Why? Because I square value is minus 1. Just only a numerator by denominator is there. Raise taking the denominator, we get a polynomial. Then after substituting in place of I square equal to minus 1, what we will get? 3 plus 8i sin theta minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square. Separate the real part imaginary. What is the real part here? 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta is the real part, plus imaginary part is 8 sin theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Up to here clear? But what asked question? The question is, first question is, A question is it real? Is it real? Means a given problem is a real part plus imaginary part. What do you want? You want only real. Real and imaginary 0. If you want real, imaginary 0. If you want the imaginary, real is 0. What we are most important concept here, the combination of two terms, real part plus imaginary part. Real part this one, imaginary part this one. But they ask a question, find the real value of theta of real part. I want only real part solution. Real part solution means imaginary part is 0, not real part is 0. We want real part only. And that real part is undali. So we have to convert the imaginary part is 0. Real means real part is equal imaginary 0. Real part means imaginary 0. Suppose if you want the imaginary, real part is 0. What is imaginary part here? Imaginary means 8 sin theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta is equal 0. Cross multiplication we get 8 sin theta is equal 0. Again sin theta is equal 0. Already we know sin theta is equal 0. Theta is equal n by and n belongs to z. Already we know in first year trigonometric equations. Once again, what you want? You want real part. So imaginary 0. If you want imaginary, real 0. What is second problem? B problem. What is given B? B is purely imaginary. Imaginary means real is equal to 0. Real means here, what is the real part here? 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta is equal to 0. Now here, I want imaginary. Here two terms, real part plus imaginary. I want only imaginary. Imaginary is there. I want imaginary only. So real is equal to 0. What is the real part here? 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Cross multiplication we get as equal to 0. 3 minus 4 sin square theta is equal to 0. 4 sin square theta is equal to 3. Sin square theta is equal to 3 by 4. Next one, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin theta is equal to sin of 60. Sin 60 means pi by 3. Already you know formula. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. Therefore, here sin theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 3. Otherwise, another formula is there. Sin square theta is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. We get sin square theta is equal to sin square of pi by 3. And the solution is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 only your wish. Once again I will repeat here. Just your concept is only two problems, real and imaginary. First of all, given problem is a numerator by denominator is there. General simplification we get real part, imaginary part. What he asking? He asking a question purely real. In this time of real means imaginary is equal to 0. Don't real equal 0. If you want imaginary, real equal 0, we get some solution. If you want imaginary, real equal 0. Otherwise, if you want real, imaginary is equal 0, we get the general solution of the trigonometric equations. Next. Next problem. Last problem for B exercise. Now last problem. Exercise B, last problem. This one also important problem. Find the real value of x and y. Find real values of x and y. If x minus 1 by 3 plus I plus y minus 1 by 3 minus I is equal to I only. What is given? Find the real values of x and y. So find the real part, imaginary part. What is the real part here? X minus x comma y only. So just general simplification here. Solution is just find x value and y values. So x minus 1 by 3 plus I. It can be written as 3 minus I by 3 minus I. Any doubt? Why? Because denominator is 3 plus I. That's why ratio is 3 minus I by 3 minus I. Here y minus 1 by 3 minus I means 3 plus I by 3 plus I is equal to only I. Any doubts? Next one here, general multiplication here. 3x minus ix minus 3 plus I by 9 minus I square. Here, general multiplication 3y plus iy minus 3 minus I by a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 9 minus I square is equal to only I. Now here, I square value is minus 1, I square value is minus 1, total value is 10, 10 is a LCM. Remaining what here? 3x minus ix minus 3 plus I plus 3y plus iy minus 3 minus I is equal to 10. What is the common value here? Common value is minus I plus I get cancelled. What is the real part? Real part means without I parts. What is the real part here? 3x here minus 3x plus 3y minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 plus I of I is common, remaining part here y here minus x, y minus x is equal to 10 I is equal to I only here, and 10 cross multiplication we get only 10 I. Just only 3 plus I means multiply with 3 minus I by 3 minus I. Just only general multiplication, separate the real part and imaginary part. Now comparing both sides, real and imaginary parts. Real and imaginary part. 10I can be written as 0 plus, what is the real part here? It can be written as here 3x plus 3y minus 6 plus I of y minus x is equal to 0 plus 10 into I. Any doubt? Here only 10 is the only imaginary part, is there is no real part. It can be written as 0 plus 10I. Comparison here, real part is equal to 3x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and y minus x is equal to 10 only. Now here 3 is a common. What we will get here? X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here minus x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Solve. This one is first one, this one is second one. Solve first and second. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. It cancel. 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 6. Substitute the y is equal to 6 in equation number 1. Put in 1. What you will get here? Means x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 4. What is the real values of x comma y? X is equal to here. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 6 only. These are x comma y values. X comma y values. Exercise B is completed. Tomorrow we discuss exercise C. Okay, right, bye.